Big Willie here of the Kickoff and the Score, and it's quarterfinal time of the Africa Cup of Nations. Yes, the Africa Cup of Nations enters the quarterfinal stage tonight and tomorrow, and my oh my, there are blockbuster games in all these games today and tomorrow. The four games are just too tight to call, tough to call out, and it's going to be a roller coaster of emotions this weekend. Now, quarterfinal number one, Senegal the Lions of Teranga, Senegal are taking on Mali at 7 o'clock. And I think of the four games, I think this one I can safely say Senegal are going to go through. I think they're going to go through. I think with the likes of Sadio Mane and Iliman Ndiaye and Ismail Gana Gueye, I think they should be too strong for Mali, who beat Tunisia in a penalty shootout to get to the quarterfinals, while Senegal beat Sudan by 3-1. The second quarterfinal tonight is between the hosts, Morocco, and Cameroon. Now, that one will be tough. Trust you me. It's a tough game. The host nation, you want the host nation to go very far in this competition so that the fans will keep coming to the stadium. But Cameroon are no slouches. We thought they were going to underperform because of the issues between the federation and the coach and the players. But my oh my, they have really delivered well, and you cannot rule them out. This is going to be a tough game, but I think somehow Morocco just sneak through to the semi-finals and qualify to the last four. And then tomorrow we've got Algeria versus Nigeria. Wow, that's also another cracking game, man. It's all these four games have this North Africa, West Africa rivalry, and this is going to be a crack of a game. I mean, you've got Riyad Mahrez, you've got Victor Osimhen, you've got the likes of Adela Lookman, you've got the likes of Wilfred Ndidi. This is going to be a crack of a game of two African heavyweights. Tough to call. I just think that probably Algeria have been tested in this AFCON, of course, playing against the DRC in the previous round. Nigeria, of course, have scored the most goals in this competition. I think they have scored 15 goals so far, but it's a tough game to call. I don't know who wins this game, honestly speaking. For me, this is the game that I find it very difficult to call. And then the final game at 10 o'clock tomorrow will be between the Pharaohs, Egypt, Mo Salah, and the defending champions, Ivory Coast. Now, Ivory Coast, slow starters, but they are looking good. They're looking like a team which has entered a good run of form. The Egyptians, of course, cannot be counted out, and of course, Egypt have had the edge over Ivory Coast in previous AFCON editions. This one will be tough. I think I'll slightly edge it towards the Elephants of Ivory Coast to make it to the semi-finals. So those are your AFCON quarterfinal matches. The matches kick off at 7 o'clock and 10 p.m. And of course, we know they could go into extra time and penalties.